Hi guys. So let's start with today's session. We are scheduled to discuss case study. So I will pick one question of case study type and we will discuss that question. Okay. So let's start without wasting any time. Let's start with our discussion so that we can effectively focus on multiple questions because it will be a 40 to 50 marks case study. So you can see the marks allotted for this case study are 40 marks. So let's start doing it. So the question says, due to increasing ESG awareness among general population, many countries have begun to introduce financial instruments that help promote sustainability. Governments and international bodies are working on developing standards and regulations to suit these new products entering financial markets. One such instrument is the green bond. Green bonds are bonds that are issued to raise finances to fund green or environment friendly projects. They function like traditional bonds. Investors purchases bonds, receives coupons for a agreed period of time, and then at maturity they receive the capital invested. The only difference is that the money raised through green bonds should be invested in projects that promote sustainability. The coupons and capital repayment are paid from revenue these projects generate. So basically आजकल ESG considerations, environmental, social and governance considerations पे हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा focus करते हैं. So this case study is based on that. So you have to spend, first step of case study question is spend considerable time in understanding the background information. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला कि many countries have begun to introduce financial instruments that promote sustainability. तो regulations आए हैं to promote new products and एक ऐसा product आया green bond and they are issued to raise finances to fund green projects, environment friendly projects. So जैसे traditional bonds work करते हैं that investors will purchase bonds, they will receive interest and at maturity they will receive their capital back. But the only difference is that capital invest money raised through green bonds would be invested in projects that are environment friendly, that promote sustainability. So coupons and capital repayment are paid from the revenue these projects generate. So first part of the question for 5 marks says identify potential issuers and investors in green bonds. So who will invest in these type of bonds? Who are the potential investors and who are the issuers of these? तो issue कौन कर सकता है? Government. अब आपको सेग्रीगेट करना है इशुअर से और इन्वेस्टर से. तो गवर्नमेंट है, चाहे वो नेशनल गवर्नमेंट हो, चाहे वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है, चाहे वो कॉर्पोरेशन है, ठीक है. ये हो गए इशुअर्स. और अगर इन्वेस्टर्स की बात करें, हु वुड बी इन्वेस्टिंग इन ग्रीन बॉन्ड्स? वी हैव बैंक्स, से corporates can invest in green bonds, pension funds or insurance companies can also invest, retail investors, asset managers. So basically बस आपको first part में different stakeholders को identify करना है. Easy part, listing, only no details required. Next देखो, what could be the motivation for investors to buy these green bonds? Now this is good. So why we are investing in green bonds? तो मतलब हमें एक तरीके से सिस्टम टी पे फोकस करना है और कहीं ना कहीं पॉइंट्स ऑफ एडवांटेजेस बताने हैं कि why we are considering investing. एक देखो ऊपर एक पॉइंट था, मे बी दिस इज अ रेगुलेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट, कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन है कि मिनिमम इतना परसेंट तो आपका ग्रीन बॉन्ड में होना ही चाहिए, ठीक है. एंड मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ जेन्युइन कंसर्न फॉर द एनवायरमेंट यू हैव एथिकल रीजंस. So we can say ethical reasons or genuine concern for the environment. What else could be the reason for investing in green bonds? Maybe diversification from, because you have already invested in multiple traditional bonds, so you want some diversification. Okay. Maybe you want to improve your position in the market, you want to improve your reputation in the market, and currently the market is focusing on sustainability. So because of that, we have invested in green bonds. So in order to increase reputation, in order to promote brand name, you are considering investing in green bonds. Maybe companies are they are not able to meet their ESG targets. That's why they are investing in green bonds to focus on meeting ESG considerations. So focus on ESG considerations. ठीक है. What else can be there? Maybe we want to offset emissions. बहुत ज़्यादा already हम कुछ emissions कर रहे हैं, तो हम society के लिए कुछ better करने के लिए we are considering investing in green bonds. So maybe to offset own emissions. maybe we can say we want to invest in those type of instruments which provide secured return. So this can be considered as a diversified instrument providing secured return. तो इस टाइप के multiple points can be written. So I hope this is clear to you guys that why can investor consider buying green bonds. अभी तक कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं आया और अभी तक ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है कि आप लोगों को लगता है कि केस स्टडी के लिए हमारा अटेम्प्ट बिल्कुल अलग रहता है या केस स्टडी की क्वेश्चंस को अप्रोच कैसे करना है. तो यू कैन क्लियरली सी देयर इज नो डिफरेंस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हाउ वी अप्रोच केस स्टडी क्वेश्चंस. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द बैकग्राउंड. Next था देखो, in a developing country, the regulations have recently begun to allow issue of green bonds in local currency. There are 4 states in this country: North, East, West, and South. Life insurance company in the country is exploring options for investment and is considering green bonds. The company is a multinational and its global policy dictates that it should invest in climate friendly investments to support their ESG goals. तो आप जब नेक्स्ट पार्ट रीड करते हो ना, तो आपको पहले ही पार्ट के लिए कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाता है कि हम लोग ग्रीन बॉन्ड्स क्यों इन्वेस्ट करें, जैसे ये कंपनी ग्रीन बॉन्ड्स में क्यों इन्वेस्ट कर रही है, टू सपोर्ट देयर ESG goals. So in a developing country, regulations have recently begun to allow issue of green bonds. There are 4 states: North, East, South, West. So life insurance is exploring options for investment. They are considering green bonds, and since the company is multinational and its global policy dictates that it should invest in climate friendly investments to support their ESG goals. ठीक है, अब देखो फर्स्ट पार्ट. अब बेस्ड ऑन दिस फिर से नेक्स्ट पार्ट क्या है, that why would it be suitable for life insurance company to invest in green bonds. अब हम पहले हम जनरल रीजन डिस्कस कर रहे थे, अब हम कंपनी स्पेसिफिक रीजन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं दैट व्हाई वुड ग्रीन बॉन्ड्स बी सूटेबल फॉर लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज. अगेन फॉर 5 मार्क्स. पहले लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की हम लाइबिलिटी समझते हैं. So basically they are long term liability. तो similarly अगर मैं green bond के tenure की बात करूं, so again they are also long term instruments, so they can match the term of the liabilities. So term of the liabilities is matched, and it's matched closely. And maybe company is investing because they need to comply with the global policies. So comply with global policies. Again, diversification. आपकी current investments are in equity and debt. You want to diversify, so it could add the benefit of diversification. Same points hai, you can see, but now we are considering from the perspective of company. Again, you want to build your reputation. You want to be portrayed as a socially aware company that is doing something for the society. So build reputation. You want to portray as socially aware company. What else? See, the bonds are issued by governments, ठीक है. So again, very secure. या तो गवर्नमेंट इशू करेगी या फिर लार्ज कॉर्पोरेट्स इशू कर रहे हैं, सुपर नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस इशू करेंगे. तो दे दिस मेक्स देम वेरी सिक्योर. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट सिक्योरिटी. तो 1 point for security, highlighting the issuers of the bonds. And see, रिटर्न डिपेंड करता है, अभी हमने जैसे डिस्कस किया था ना, फॉर्च्यून्स ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट्स. So if there are infrastructure projects, so it can be a very good match for liabilities because of degree of security as well, plus providing at the same time good return as well. So return is financed from project, and if the project we are investing is say infrastructure, so it can lead to degree of security, plus at the same time it will lead to very high return as well. So there can be multiple points like this that you need to see, one-liner points, but again the points have to be explained in detail. So we can say they are long-term instruments, so they can match the liabilities of a life insurance company more closely, and the company needs to comply with the global policies. Companies holding investments in equity and debt, so green bond investments can add the benefit of diversification. It can help to build reputation. It can make a socially aware company, and maybe the returns are linked to the project they finance. So if there are infrastructure projects, that would be a good match for liabilities as well as along with a degree of security. And bonds are most likely to be issued by governments, large corporates, so backing makes them more secure. नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे चलते हैं. आप देखो, CFO is of the opinion that investing in green bonds is not a wise choice at this point in time when the bonds are just beginning to be issued in the country. The alternative he is suggesting are equity in companies, sustainable energy companies or green infrastructure companies. So why the CFO may be correct? वो कह रहे हैं अभी आप बॉन्ड में इन्वेस्ट मत करो, इंस्टेड आपको अगर ESG को फॉलो ही करना है, you can invest in equity in companies, sustainable energy companies या फिर green infrastructure companies में. So अब CFO को क्या व्यू पॉइंट होगा? Maybe CFO is of the viewpoint कि it's a new and evolving market, कोई हमारे पास हिस्ट्री नहीं है तो प्राइसिंग सही है या नहीं सही है, ठीक है, रेगुलेशंस पे अभी डेवलप हो रहे हैं, लिक्विडिटी हो सकता है वेरी लिमिटेड है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है अबाउट हाउ द फंड्स रेज्ड आर यूज्ड कंपेयर टू say other companies that produce this equipment. And green investments का as such clarity नहीं है. There can be number of instruments that can be categorized as green, but they are not promoting sustainability. There can be different issues, there can be different issuers, they can have different features, so comparison is difficult. आपको basically ग्रीन बॉन्ड्स के कुछ कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस बताने कि अभी नई मार्केट है, प्राइसिंग एक्यूरेट नहीं है, रेगुलेशंस इवॉल्व हो रही है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है, रिपोर्टिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स अभी तक डेवलप नहीं हुई है, तो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू असेस हाउ सिक्योर और सेफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट इज. एंड सिंस इट्स अ न्यू इंस्ट्रूमेंट, so there is no secondary market. So determining correct price is very difficult. Liquidity will be limited, but equities are traded more often. So determining equity price is more easy. You can expect better liquidity in the equity market, and investors would need to rely on the credit rating of the issuer. Expertise, maybe आपके पास the equity trading is available compared to green bonds. That's why CFO is recommending to invest in equities. So again an easy part. Last part देखो अब 20 marks का last part है. Since it's a new type of offering in the country, there are only a few options for the company to choose them. Option A कह रहा है, North State in this country has one open bond issue for building ecotourism facilities along its shoreline. These facilities would run on green energy, adopt environment-friendly low wastage and recycling practices, and organize tourist expeditions and activities in adjoining coastal strip and on the beach. Option B is Central government of the country has one open bond issue for building green energy generation facilities in all the 4 states of the country. Majority of these will be biogas plants in east and west states. West state is more rural and has lowest income per household in the country. Option C is country has one national airline which is also a prominent international operator. Airline has pledged to become net zero next 30 years and to this end to reduce its carbon footprint, for which it plans to raise funds via green bonds. Company plans to invest in low carbon infrastructure projects as well as in research and development of new airline technology to help make aviation sector more environment friendly. So highlight the opportunities and risks that each of these options present. एक ऑप्शन उठाओ और उसके हम रिस्क और अपॉर्चुनिटीज को डिस्कस करेंगे बहुत डिटेल में. तो सबसे पहले लेट्स पिक ऑप्शन ए. So again, let's just go through it again. North State in this country has one open bond issue for building ecotourism facilities along its shoreline. These facilities would run on green energy, adopt environment-friendly low wastage and recycling practices, and organize tourist expeditions and activities in adjoining coastal strip and on the beach. तो अगर मैं ऑप्शन ए के आपसे रिस्क और अपॉर्चुनिटीज को डिस्कस करें, तो अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं. नॉर्थ स्टेट हैज वन ओपन बॉन्ड इशू, दैट मींस इट इज गेटिंग इशूड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, so we can expect the risk to be low. So risk would be low. Why low? Issued by state government. ठीक है. Now revenue from ecotourism facility is expected to pay the coupons and capital repayment on this green bond. So revenue का source is ecotourism facility. And tourism is expected to increase in recent years. So we can expect more and more revenue in coastal region offering ecotourism options. Up, what else can be there? It's a developing country. Ecotourism options are expensive. So local demand may be lower. Revenues may depend on foreign demand. So developing country, eco-tourism options may be expensive. Okay, so local demand and revenues may depend on foreign demand. Now, what else we can say? Tourism is impacted by multiple uncertainties because सारा का सारा जो आपका रेवेन्यू, हमने ये बोल दिया कि क्रेडिट रिस्क कम है, लेकिन इसमें सारा का रेवेन्यू इज फ्रॉम इको टूरिज्म फैसिलिटी. वहीं से आपकी कूपन पेमेंट आएगी, वहीं से कैपिटल पेमेंट आएंगी. So tourism is increasing in recent years, so revenue may appear promising in coastal region. But since it's a developing country, ecotourism options may be expensive, so local demand we can expect to be lower and revenue will depend on your foreign demand. Now tourism can be impacted by other certainties जैसे geopolitical events है, कोई natural catastrophe आ गई, economic conditions आ गए. So that means the level of tourism expected may not be realized, may not be sustained over the term of the bond. So uncertainty with respect to level of tourism. This is one where you can highlight about catastrophes. Sorry, we can highlight geopolitical events, okay, economic conditions. Now, what else risk can be there apart from the risk that revenue is not sufficient to make the payments? There can be construction delays as well. So, no revenue will be received until it is fully operational. So, construction delays, no revenue will be received until it is fully operational. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें आपको बैकग्राउंड समझ के बोलनी पड़ेंगी. And it is also possible that maybe we have revenue but revenue is not as expected. So tourism is leading to pollution. ठीक है, हम जितना ज्यादा tourism advertise कर रहे हैं, but that is leading to pollution, that is leading to degradation, especially in sensitive coastal zones, because कुछ जैसे diving activities करते हैं या boat traffic है, तो that can harm the ecosystem. So ऐसा मतलब although we are advertising it as a green investment, but the impacts may not all be protecting the environment, which can lead to lower incomes because of mitigation measures. So इस चीज को भी आपको factor in करना पड़ेगा. That tourism may actually not be green investment because कुछ कुछ activities होंगी जिसकी वजह से actually में degradation हो रही होगी. Now coming to option B. So now what was option B? If we discuss the option B, let's just see what was option B. The central government of the country has one open bond issue for building green energy generation facilities in all the 4 states of the country. The majority of these will be biogas plants in east and west states. West state is more rural and has lowest income per household in the country. ठीक है. Now, if we talk about option B, that has the lowest level of credit risk because it is issued by national government. So, lowest risk issued by national government. What else? Electricity is a basic need. So, iski demand will never drop to zero. So, demand will not be dropping to zero because electricity is a basic need. And minimum charge will be collected from citizens for electricity. Okay, so there will be some revenue generated. So revenue because of minimum charge from citizens. So there can also be construction delays. So यहाँ पर भी it is possible that because of construction delays, no revenue is received. और क्या issue हो सकता है? And cost of setting up may actually exceed the estimated amounts, which will reduce your profits. So costs greater than expected. What else? The government may have to pay bondholders from all the sources until all the plants become operational and they generate revenues. Okay. So in situations where less revenue is received compared to estimated, the government needs to identify other sources to service their debt to green bondholders. So it is quite possible that we are suffering from this risk. that we have to go for other sources so that we can provide debt servicing to the green bond holders. Now coming to option C, let's see what was option C. The country has one national airline, which is also a prominent international operator. Airline has pledged to become net zero in the next 30 years, and to this end, to reduce its carbon footprint, for which it plans to raise funds via green bonds. The company plans to invest in low carbon infrastructure projects as well as in research and development of new airline technology to help make aviation sector more environmental friendly. So this is riskier because यहाँ पर अब जो issuer है that is a corporate rather than government. पहले में state government था, दूसरे में national government था. Now the issuer is corporate. So this option is risky, and I would say the most risky out of the other two options available. And so see, airline appears to be a prominent international operator, so definitely we can expect that it would have a good credit rating. So good credit rating, we can expect it to be profitable, and but there is no clarity with respect to how much of the money raised will go into infrastructure, how much will go into research, and no clarity with respect to what green infrastructure investment is. Okay, so infrastructure investment we can expect to generate stable income compared to aviation R&D. So infrastructure we can expect to generate stable income. And R&D में क्या होएगा? There is no certainty. So even if the invention is likely to be successful, but there is no certainty with respect to the significant revenue. There is no guarantee that there will be successful innovation out of R&D's investment. There is no guarantee with respect to the time frame in which that invention would be achieved. It will take many years to establish its safety. So there is no certainty कि bond का term कब तक चलेगा. So airline industry profits basically they are dependent on multiple factors like oil prices, geopolitical events, inflation, economic conditions. So we can expect the bonds to be of medium to long term. So if there is any event, for example, the events that are happening right now in the political world, so if there are any events like this, that can definitely affect the performance of the company, which can impact their ability to service the debt. So you need to incorporate all these things when we are commenting. So see, this was one type of case study for 40 marks. So it is not at all difficult to attempt case study questions. The only difference compared to the other questions is that there is the same background and we have to comment on multiple things. But since there are multiple parts, in each part they try to incorporate something different. So if you stick to the background, if you understand the points well, if you understand the concepts well, case study questions can turn out to be more easy compared to a normal question, because normal question 40 marks में मान लो आपको 3 आए, 3 बार आप बैकग्राउंड रीड करोगे, 3 बार डिफरेंट स्टाइल के क्वेश्चंस होंगे. यहाँ पर बैकग्राउंड सेम रह रहा है, बस उसमें हम मॉडिफिकेशंस कर रहे हैं. So this was one type of case study question. We will do another case study question in the next session. So do make sure that you're not skipping these sessions. So that's it for the day. Thank you.